You can use your Samsung Galaxy Watch to track your pickleball health data and match score using the Samsung Health app and my PickleballTrkr score tracking app. We'll discuss how to set both of these up. First, by default, the Samsung Health app does not have a pickleball sport option. However, we can create a custom sport. Open the Samsung Health app on your phone, find the exercise tile, and tap More. Then tap the plus button at the top right. Select Create New Exercise. We'll name our exercise Pickleball. Select Data to record as duration and calories, no GPS, and set the category to Ball. Next, let's purchase and download PickleballTrkr, my pickleball score tracking app for Wear OS that lets you keep track of your match score right on your Galaxy Watch. From your watch's home screen, go to Apps and find Play Store. Tap the search icon at the top and search for PickleballTrkr, spelled PickleballTrkr. Select My App, PickleballTrkr by Danielle Close. Purchase and install this app. If you're having trouble finding it, you can also use the link to this app in the video description. Once you have both the custom pickleball exercise mode in Samsung Health setup and PickleballTrkr installed, you can now track both health data as well as the score when you play pickleball. Before you start play, first open Samsung Health, go to Exercise, find the Pickleball Sport option, and start it. Then press the Home button, swipe up to go to Apps, and open PickleballTrkr. Go to Settings to confirm your match settings are correct. Go back and tap Play. Select if this is a doubles or singles match. Then who is serving first. Now you can use PickleballTrkr to record your score while Samsung Health runs in the background, recording fitness data like your steps, heart rate, calories, and more. When you finish your pickleball session, remember to reopen the Samsung Health app and end the pickleball workout session. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.